Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you seamlessly link investment accounts to your online banking portal. So without wasting any time, let's just get right on the video. Now, if you want to link investment accounts using your Barclays bank application, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Barclays application, then log in using your Face ID, fingerprint, or with your password. Then once logged into your account, from the home screen, simply tap on the accounts option or simply select an account. Then simply select link an account. Then you may also see options like Barclays investments, smart investor, wealth of savings and investment. Tap on the option that matches your investment account. Then next is to verify your details. You may need investment account number, date of birth, and one-time security code. Simply enter that, and once that's done, tap on continue, and then confirm the details, and view the details and tap on confirm once again, and your investment account is now linked and visible. Now if you are doing it from PayPal, then what you need to do is note that PayPal does not function like a traditional bank dashboard, but it acts as a central hub by linking bank cards and PayPal investment features like saving, crypto, or external bank linking funds. To do it, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the PayPal application, and then simply tap on the wallet option on the bottom. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is link a bank card. Simply select the bank that you want, and once you select the bank, sign in securely, instant, or verify manually, which takes 1 to 2 days. And once that's done, your bank account is now linked and any investment funds in the bank can be transferred to PayPal. Now if you are using it from the Chase Bank application, what you need to do is log into your Chase Bank application. Once you're inside, what you need to do here is simply choose the accounts option and then simply select add a link account. Then once you select it, you will be seeing options like JP Morgan Safe Directed Investing, JP Morgan Wealth Management, or Brokerage of Investment. Simply select Brokerage of Investment or the account that you want. Now here you will be asked to enter your account number, last 4 digits of SSN, and then once that's done, you will be asked to enter one-time passcode. Once that's done, simply tap on verify. Once you have verified it, all you gotta do is review all the details, and once you have reviewed all the details, simply tap on confirm, and the selected account will be linked. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.